The first letter is easy of the alphabet. It's very simple and easy. It's called alif. This guy just sits right on the line from top to down. Just a straight line. See, it's not that hard. Just a straight line. He's called alif. He's watching everybody from the tower. You start from top down. He's called alif. Simple, right? Alif. It's like you're saying uh-oh, uh-oh, alif. Okay? So the next three letters, excuse me, have the same shape. Yeah? They're like a family. So let's write them down. They look alike. Yeah, they're family. So remember, from right to the left. The first one, the second one, and third one all the same, as you can see. These letters look alike. They look alike. They look like a boat. So we're going to call them the boat family. So, however, we can't read them this way. This is scribbles. We can't read them this way. In Arabic, when you have letters that resemble each other and have the same shape, either repeated twice or three times, as in this case of the boat family, we use what we call dots to differentiate between them and assign different sounds, because what gives us the sound or different sounds is the dots. So some of them may get one dot, some may get two, and some others may have three dots. So these dots may be located above or below the letters. Remember that three dots is the maximum dots the Arabic alphabets may have. So let's see how this family boat change by adding the dot. So the first one, we'll put a dot below the first boat. See, we put a dot below the first boat family. One dot below. What does that do? That dot, it initiates the letter name below ba. So this guy, we'll call him ba. It's like you're saying baba, you know, ba. Or the sound of the sheep, ba.